There is a new study that suggests that 80% of all jobs are going to be affected by AI, and many of the top tech experts are already asking to halt AI development. According to Goldman Sachs, 300 million jobs will be affected by artificial intelligence in the next 5 years.
AI will make jobs kind of pointless. Probably the last job that will remain will be writing AI software, and then eventually the AI will just write its own software.
So now you might need to ask yourself, where am I positioned in this job market? And where do I want to be positioned for the long run so that artificial intelligence doesn't take over my job? So, in this video, we'll be discussing 10 jobs that are going to be least susceptible to AI disruption. Number 10, HR managers. While AI is taking over many jobs, HR managers remain untouched by its influence. HR managers are the heartbeat of any organization. They don't just hire and fire, they nurture a positive work culture, resolve conflicts, and ensure that employees' mental health and well-being are prioritized. Their ability to understand human emotions and complex situations is irreplaceable. While AI can streamline certain HR tasks, such as payroll and data analysis, it can't replicate the empathy and judgment essential for cultivating a positive work culture. Number 9, surgeons. In the world of medicine, surgeons remain the ultimate lifesavers. During the surgery, AI can offer tremendous support to surgeons, but surgeons stand as the irreplaceable guardians of life in the operation theater. Their skills, obtained through years of rigorous training, combine technical precision with an innate understanding of the human body. Each surgical procedure presents a dynamic challenge with its own set of intricacies. Surgeons rely not only on their extensive training and technical expertise, but also on their finely honed instincts and adaptability. AI may assist in diagnostics and procedural aspects, yet it lacks the irreplaceable human qualities that surgeons bring to the operating room. Number 8, nurses. Nurses serve as the backbone of healthcare, a role beyond AI's reach. Nurses are on the front lines, providing essential care, emotional support, and a human connection to patients. Nurses are critical thinkers, capable of making swift, life-saving decisions in high-pressure situations. While AI can assist nurses in some medical procedures, it can't replicate the emotional care and empathy that nurses bring to the bedside. So, in the world of healthcare, nurses will continue to be irreplaceable by AI. Number 7, politicians. While AI can assist in data analysis and decision-making, it can't replicate the wisdom and strategic thinking that politicians bring to the table. Politicians continue to be 100% safe from AI disruptions. Politics demands not just analytical thinking, but an understanding of complex human dynamics. Politicians bridge divides, seek common ground, and make decisions that impact millions. AI can assist with data analysis, but it cannot comprehend the full spectrum of human needs and values that politicians consider in their decisions. Politics is an intricate dance of diplomacy, negotiation, and compromise, where human values and ethics guide decisions. So, while AI can assist in some analytical aspects, it cannot replace the dynamic, human-centered leadership that politicians provide. Number 6, lawyers. Lawyers are immune to replacement by AI. Lawyers offer a depth of understanding and expertise that AI cannot match. They spend years studying law, honing their skills in negotiation, and developing a keen understanding of human behavior. This deep knowledge allows them to navigate complex legal matters effectively. Lawyers use the skill of persuasion while presenting their clients in the court of law. AI lacks the capacity for the art of persuasion and cannot adapt strategies based on the dynamics of a courtroom. Furthermore, legal cases often require creative problem solving. A lawyer is required to think out of box to safeguard its client's interests. This is where AI falls short. AI's problem-solving abilities are limited to predefined algorithms and data analysis. It will never be able to match a lawyer's mental capacity in tough situation. Number 5, chefs. Since AI can't smell or taste anything, it will never be able to replace chefs. Chefs bring their culture and personal touch to their dishes. They use special ingredients and recipes that bring life to their food. AI doesn't have any cultural or personal experiences, so it will never be able to compete with chefs in the near future. Another reason is that eating is not just about taste, it's an experience. Chefs don't just cook food, they craft beautiful presentations and set the perfect mood in restaurants. They create an emotional connection through food. While AI, on the other hand, is just a computer program, which can't do any of that. Number 4, truckers. Even though AI is capable of driving trucks, it still lacks the ability to replace truck drivers because a truck driver's job extends far more than just driving the vehicle. A truck driver is responsible for maintenance, logging information, and customer service. Also, they load and unload the trucks at the final destination. Currently, there are no automated systems that will perform these tasks. Trucking requires human input, for example. In case of a flat tire, only a human can replace it. Artificial intelligence can't help in those situations. Number 3, plumbers and electricians. AI might be able to replace a lot of jobs, but it will never replace electricians and plumbers, and the reason is that the work these skilled tradesmen do require continuous hand-eye coordination and complex techniques. Right now, our plumbing and electrical systems are designed in such a way that only a human can maintain them. Robots may be able to manufacture plumbing products like pipes and fittings, but when it comes to repairing and maintenance, a human touch is necessary. Number 2, therapists. When it comes to psychology, AI can't compete with humans. AI lacks the emotional intelligence and empathy that remain uniquely human traits. Therapists are more than just listeners. They are skilled professionals who provide essential mental and emotional support to their patients. People seek therapy for a wide range of issues, from anxiety and depression to trauma and relationship problems. Therapists use their expertise to tailor treatment to each person's specific needs. AI lacks the depth of emotional intelligence required to comprehend and address these diverse and nuanced human experiences. AI may start assisting therapists at doing their job better, but it can't replace them. Number 1, filmmakers. Filmmakers are more than just directors. They are artists who bring stories to life through a unique lens. Their roles are a blend of creativity, imagination, and the ability to connect with audiences on profound levels. One compelling reason AI can't replace filmmakers is the artistry of storytelling. Filmmaking also involves collaboration and the ability to work with actors, crews, and post-production teams. Filmmakers lead and inspire, fostering a creative environment that brings their visions to life. AI cannot replicate the collaborative and inspirational aspects of filmmaking. Another reason AI can't replace filmmakers is their capacity for originality. Filmmaking is about envisioning something new, something that has never been seen before. Filmmakers have an innate ability to generate fresh ideas. AI relies on data and patterns, making it challenging to produce truly innovative and unique content. In essence, filmmakers are the storytellers of our culture, combining artistic vision, emotional depth, and a human connection that AI cannot replace. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you again in the next video.